We have an older Nissan Sentra here. The lights are really, really bad. I didn't know. Even I didn't know how good they were going to come out because they were trashed. These are really, really bad. Really bad. This thing had a mark on it going, that vertical mark. No idea if that was going to come out. Here's the finished product. Considering what we had to work with, these things came out great. As you can see, on the driver's side, that vertical line came out. So, not a bad result, considering how bad these lights were. South Florida, we're mobile. We come to you. We serve Broward County, Miami-Dade, and Palm Beach counties. 754-302-0769. Text us the pictures of your headlights or give us a call, and we'll get back to you. Thank you.